HIMARS projectiles have been intercepted. 17 Ukrainian unmanned.
The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported updates from front-line conflict May 22. The armed clashes had occurred in some areas. Russia air defense facilities have shot down one Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Lozovoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 5 HIMARS multiple rocket launches have been intercepted, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. In addition, 17 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed in the areas of Kremenets, Peski, Aleksandrovka, Veseloye, Donetsk People's Republic, Sladkaya Balka, Marfopol, Zaporozhye region, and Sergeyevka and Lyubimovka, Kherson region.
Беспилотник.
In total, the armed forces of Ukraine have been lost 428 fighter jets and 235 helicopters, 4,262 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 anti-aircraft missile systems, 9,257 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 4,881 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,379 pieces of special military hardware have been destroyed during the special military operation, said Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russia Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. The armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 22 said Russia lost 720 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 9 armored fighting vehicles, as well as 20 artillery systems and 8 drones. In total, Moscow has been lost 203,880 servicemen since Russia have been launching full-scale aggression to Ukraine territories. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 454 days. There is still no peace agreement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.